We've seen over the last 6 months the world changing very fast in ways that few had anticipated. And we've moved to an area that was characterized by uncertainty to an area that is characterized by shift. Among those shifts has been a considerable stepping back away from some of the objectives that the international community had given itself in the area of environment. We need to address that.
When I look at the cities, taking into consideration that 70% of people by 2050 will be living in cities. Cities are confronted with many challenges, from environmental challenges, economic pressures, increasing urbanization.
I do believe that metrics can help us a great deal. You cannot improve what you cannot measure. And if we measure things right, we can address that in an imaginative and positive fashion rather than being scared and saying it's too late. So keeping the hope, the spirit, the innovation and the creativity high is a clear set for success.
Imagine, for example, how important it would be if you are a mayor or an urban planner, if you can use digital twin and have a replica of your city that will enable you to immediately know, for example, what effect it would have to build a building in a particular neighborhood or a new school or even a new commercial center, and being able to address, for example, the economic impact, the environmental impact, involve also your citizens.
So I think only working at these 3 different levels, at the political level, at the science and data level, and on the technical implementation level of building capacities of cities, you can really make a difference.
I think it's amazing that we have the opportunity to be part of a multi-stakeholder dialogue.
So it was really very useful to kind of open the horizon to a more longer-term discussion. I think since we discussed today foresight,